Today we're going to work with a kaleidoscope app. So if you open your iPad and you look at this little icon that looks kind of like a telescope, that's a kaleidoscope. So we tap it and open it. In your first screen, you want to tap the word new and tap the dandelion where it says master. Now you have a blank canvas. Before you begin, you need to know what some of the tools are. So down here, this is how we make a new canvas. So it doesn't have to be black, but we're going to leave it black for now. The pencils are how you choose your style. So there are lots of different styles for how you draw your lines. Some are fuzzy, some are neon, some leave polka dots. So I like the neon myself. If you tap the little paint tubes, that's how you get different colors. But what's cool about this is if you leave it on rainbow, it'll choose the colors for you. So I love to leave mine in rainbow. This little arrow is very useful. If you make a line you don't want, you tap the arrow and it goes away. So if I tap the eraser, this gives me different sizes for the eraser. If I slide it all the way to the right, it gives me a really big eraser so I can make things disappear. And the little movie reel symbol down here is so you can watch how you drew your design. So if I make a bunch of lines on here and I tap this movie reel, it'll play everything I've done so far on this canvas, which is fun to watch. All right, I'm going to make a new canvas. The snowflake up here at the top is how you pick how your design is set up. All of these designs from this snowflake on are based on a radial design. That means whatever you draw, it will be repeated in a circle. There is no top and there is no bottom. Now, this butterfly over here makes a symmetrical design. It means your left and your right are a mirror image of each other. And then we have this little fishy that's also symmetrical, but its top and bottom are mirror images. So we're trying to work with all these little flower shapes on ours. So I'm going to tap one of them. And I'm in rainbow mode, so it's going to pick the color for me. So if I draw a line, it repeats it all the way around. And it's changing the colors as you go. I can go back and change my setup. And if you have something you don't like while you're working, just tap undo. And when you think you're done, make sure I see your design before you make it disappear. But if I hit that reel again, it's going to show you everything that I drew. And then I'll hit stop. If you don't like anything on your picture at all, we hit the paper and canvas and discard painting. And then slide around to pick your background color and hit OK, and then it gives you a fresh canvas to start with.